is my last vlog as a 13-year-old. Stick to the end of this video to find out who won my last week's video's giveaway. Hey guys, welcome back to Adanna Marie. Today I am going to show you how to make these fake bangs, and all you need is your hair and your hands. No other materials needed. You don't have to cut your hair. And so if you want to know what you look like with bangs, or you just want bangs but you don't really want to cut your hair because you don't know if it's gonna look good or bad, then stick around, watch this video, and figure out how you can make these realistic fake bangs for Sisterlocks. And make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I post my videos every Wednesday. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so it is really simple to do this hairstyle. All you have to do is fold your hair up in half or to however long you want your bang, and then start twisting the extra hair around the loop that you've just made. And it's just as simple as that. And stick around because I add one more thing later on in the video. But pretty much all you do is what you see here, and these won't tangle up your hair, and you can keep your hair like this for as long as you want. I kept it in for like a week, and it's all simple. Also, if you were wondering, this style only took me around 23 minutes to do, and it's really simple and easy, so you should try it.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Okay guys, so once you finish making all of your bangs, pretty much, so you might notice that they are sticking up or something, and all you have to do is just get some water on it, or use a spray bottle and spray some water on your hair like how I was just doing there, and it will help it sit down against your face better, and you might have to fix some little hairs that want to not agree with you and not go with the bang style, but eventually you will get the hang of it. And I have this one small hair that's shorter than all the rest, and it was very hard to get it in there, but I got it eventually. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every Wednesday when I post my videos. And yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Okay guys, time for the giveaway winner. Okay, the winner for this giveaway is Dude8074. Thank you so much.